session. Wait. Okay, so here I have to write like course ID. Course ID. Okay. So when I am running it, actually there should be some issues. There was null over there, no? Yeah, there were some null values. So, oh, very sorry. Actually, inner join is there. That is the issue. Okay, I have to write like left join. Now it will be okay. In case of inner join, there is nothing null, na? So that's why it won't show you anything. Okay. Now it is okay, na? Null is there. So whenever if you want to check out that for which course nobody is enrolled, so that you can identify like this. Okay. Is it clear to all of you? Guys, are you all sleeping?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. Okay, then let us try with right join. Right join is the just opposite one. Like there is one table and there is another table. Okay. So the common thing plus the right table, it will be taken. Okay, that will be there in the table. Okay, and if there is something that is there in the right table only, then for that in the left side null will be shown. Okay, so clear. Okay. C, Control C, Control V, then right join. Right. Okay. Right. Now here you can see for one particular course corresponding to that actually there is there is no course, but there is one student. Okay. Who have not opted any of the course. So in order to get the details of that particular student, what I'm doing is I'm actually taking that condition, Control C, enter, Control V. Okay, then here C dot course ID is null. Okay, Control enter. Now you can see that particular record is extracted where where a student is not enrolled in any of the course. Okay, so like that you can identify when you are having a real-time data. This is the manner you can identify those things. Okay, and when you want to actually map everything together, like you want to map every course to every student like that, so in that case you have to use cross join. Okay, so in that very moment what you will use, you will use cross join. Okay, like I'm clearing it. Okay, like this particular every entities in this particular table is actually joined with every entities in the other table like that. Okay, like this. Like it is connected to this one, it is connected to this one, it is connected to this one also. Okay, it is connected to this one. It is connected to this one also like this. Similarly, other will also be connected to each and everything. That is what is cross join. Okay, like this. I hope it is clear to you, although the drawing is not that clear, but I hope like one to many. One element from here is connected to each and every element of here. Is it clear, guys? What is cross join? Hello all.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yeah. So right now I'm going to deal with this cross join. After cross join, I will close the session because it is too long. Okay. 1 hour is done. So cross join. Okay. Cross join students. This condition is not required in case of cross join because we are just mapping. Na? That's why. Okay. So yeah. Now you can see over here. This is what is cross join. Okay, 101 is actually mapped to each and everything like 105, 106, 103, 101, 106, everything. It is getting mapped. Okay, like this you can see. And after that, 102 is mapped to each and everything. Then 103. Then after that, 104, like that. This is what is called cross join. Okay, so that's it for today's session. We will meet in tomorrow's session. Okay. So I'm having some work, urgent work is there. I'm going to close the session. Okay. So happy learning all. Keep exploring and have a good night.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye. Bye all.